What's up, everybody? T Money here. Want to talk about this Tesla today for earnings. Awesome opportunity and a lot really awesome action overall in the name. So, when it comes even just to names we want to look at and names we want to trade on the day, earnings season, always want to be looking at earnings names. And then, Tesla's a name in general that a lot of people are trading, which means there's a lot of volume and it tends to move more. So, those things immediately everybody should be looking up Tesla when at the beginning of a trading day like today. And then, we get this gap up on an earnings beat, and this is the weekly chart just kind of comparing this 880 high compared to about 970 on that last parabolic move up. And at this point, so many people are probably fed up trying to short Tesla with the fact that it's all the way back up here, but it's not like, nobody should be holding this short into earnings. So coming in with a clean slate on the day and Tesla gapping up on earnings right to this area is where we want to be looking for weakness, not looking long when it's up here. If you bought the dip anywhere, I'm looking to take profits. If you held through this entire ramp back up and and you're a long-term investor and it pulled all the way back here, the next time it comes up, you probably have a bad experience remembering giving back a bunch of open profits, and that actually creates incentive for people to want to sell as well. So these are all reasons why people might want to be selling on a day like today in Tesla rather than buying, even though they beat earnings, even though Tesla has been a very strong name overall and tough to short, even though there have been tactical short opportunities. So that brings us back to the daily gap up to this area. Same thing. I'm not looking long. I only have potential short on the mind, and then the 5 minute chart is really what I'm trading this based off of. So we have this potential daily resistance up here. Tesla after hours and pre-market trading yesterday and today are two things that I'm always looking at very closely when it comes to earnings names. So Tesla trades up to 880, kind of chops around 860, drifts a little bit lower before the market open, and Tesla is first 5 minute bar is put in, goes up to 870, and I'm just sitting here watching, but I have my eye on this 860 level, thinking that just this is a this consolidation area. If we can hang out below here, that to me would show weakness coming into the name up here. So Tesla kind of goes sideways. It's chopping around. I actually took two small losses in the name trying to get short in the first 15 minutes, and then so that was with first tier size. So I was risking maybe $200 in both of those trades, but then I'm in it a third time, and then as it starts to curl down right around here is when I doubled up my position, and then it just rolls over. Simple simple basic supply and demand, just thinking about where what people who are already positioned in Tesla want to do on the day, and then coupling that with technical analysis to look for the best entry. And even though I took two losses in here, I was starting with feelers so that if if what looked like the spot came in, I could get in with heavier size, and then I was able to make back those losses and just kind of covered on the way down. And then actually on this flush here, I took a day trade long. I bought right after this low was put in, I bought 817 with a stop just at lows, sold half at like 824 and then half at 829. So there's definitely opportunity both ways, but if you're looking long, I'd be doing so on a flush like this, and then kind of same thing over here. Once we actually get more of a down move, maybe you play a long for a bounce, but short is really